Okay, everybody, here we go. I'm going to shoot a quick little tutorial on how we do walkthrough videos that we post for our buyers. So we're going to start here in iMovie. Hopefully you've got a Mac. If not, I'm sure there are other softwares that are very similar. So we're going to create new. We're going to start with movie. I'm going to go through this kind of quick so that we can get through it, and you can always watch this and pause it if you need to. So the first thing I'm going to do is drag over my actual video that our boots on the ground person took. This is a property up in Knoxville. So with settings here, you can sort of stretch out, um, kind of zoom in on your media clip, or you can tighten it right down to nothing. So 4 minutes, you've got your walkthrough video, nothing super crazy there. A couple things that I like to do, I will drag over and drop in a photo of the front of the property, because inevitably we ask people to start outside. This guy actually did, but most of the time they seem to start in the back of the house or in the bathroom. So I always start with a photo of the house to begin with. iMovie also does this weird thing where every photo you upload, they have to put this Ken Burns effect on it, which means it kind of zooms in and zooms out. I don't really like that too much, so I just do fit the screen, and it's simpler. So that, I mean, at the bare minimum, that's what you can do. I do a few more things. So what I will do is I'll put a little bit of text in here. So iMovie offers you lots of ways to do that. This just happens to be the one that I use, and I do it pretty much the same every time because it's easy, and I don't like to change it over and over and over again. So everything is kind of preset here. I found that 80 seems to be the right number because if it goes too big, then it starts wrapping around, and it's just not a good look. So anyways, also I like to use yellow. You can use red, you can use blue, whatever you like. So I change it to 80, change it to yellow. I put in my address here. This is why 80 works, because it doesn't get too stretched out. Same thing, go down to the bottom, change this to 80, change it to yellow, and then this is in Knoxville, Tennessee, 37917. Once you're done on these, for some reason, if you don't press play, and it doesn't save it, and it's sort of weird. I'm sure there's a smarter way to do it, but that's how I do it. So you've got your address, and the other thing I like to put in before the video starts is just a little bit of information. Again, pick your template here. I just use centered because it's easy. So we'll do this again, change it to 80, change the color to yellow, use whatever color you like, and I'll put some basic description. All right, so this is a duplex in a great area of Knoxville, one bedroom on each side. Unit rents for $700 per month. Check it out. Kind of locks it in, and that's pretty much it. The other thing I'll do is, hello, investor. This is Eric. Is I will add at the very end a call to action. People are basically dopey, and if you don't tell them what to do, they won't know what to do. So again, 80, yellow, and don't miss out on this killer off market deal. There's, let's say, call anytime at 423-475-7 for more info. You can And then what I will do, so hey investors, don't miss out on this killer deal, give us a call. Let me go up here to media. Somewhere. I just downloaded a bunch of stuff off of here. Okay, so, and then I will drop in so we're telling them give us a call, or they can go to see us on our website. Again, fix that. And then I will drop a website at the very beginning. Fit that to screen. Come on. Fit that to screen. And that is it. If you want to get fancy, I add in some transitions so that there's a little something between um, each clip. The easiest one is just cube. So that way you can see how it just kind of rolls from one to the other. Again, use whatever you like. The only place I use something different is for the main picture. Just kind of scroll to the edge here, cube, and that's it. So what that take? Less than 4 minutes. And this is what it looks like as it plays. Just super, super, super simple. Nothing complicated. Got the property. You want to take a nice photo there. There you go. And that is your whole video as you get to the end. There you go. And we've got our call to action and our website at the end. The only other thing I've done also, sometimes if I've got a particular dispo manager that's working this deal, I've got a picture with them and their contact info, and sometimes I'll drop that in there. But just to keep it simple, that is it. When you back out, you have to save it. So Knoxville. The last step is with Apple's. I just have to prepare it for formatting or whatever it is for YouTube, and it just saves it. And then I just kind of watch this spot here, and once it's formatted, it'll be ready to go. And that's pretty much